Hey everybody, this is Mr. Longo here to talk to you about how you solve systems of linear equations using the substitution method. So substitution basically means we take one thing and we substitute it inside of another thing and we work from there. That's what we're going to do. So what you want to do using the substitution method is, first of all, get a variable by itself. For our first example here, I already have y by itself for you, so you can use substitution easier to see what the process is all about. So what we're going to do here is we know that y is equal to 3x minus 2. We know that's what y has a value of. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 3x minus 2 and we're going to stick it into the y of the other equation. So that's going to give us this, 2x plus, and here's where the substitution comes in. We're going to substitute y with 3x minus 2. And now we're just going to continue writing the equation. That's equal to 8. And now it's just a one variable solving equation problem. So we're just going to add 2x and 3x to get 5x minus 2 is equal to 8. Add 2 to both sides. You end up with 5x is equal to 10. Divide both sides by 5, and we have x is equal to 2. But we're not done. We have only found the first of the two variables. So now what you have to do is substitute again, but this time it's going to be a little bit easier because we know the value of x is 2. So now we're going to take our 2 and substitute it into the x of one of our original equations. So now we have y is equal to 3, but that's where we're going to substitute in our 2 because we already know that the value of x is 2. And that's going to give us minus 2, so y is equal to 6 minus 2, so y is equal to 4. So again, our solutions to a system are written as an ordered pair. So x comma y, our solution to this system is 2 comma 4. Okay, so I hope that refreshed your memory on how to solve a system using substitution. So just like the graphing video, I have two practice problems for you. I'm just going to put them both on the screen for you right now. And if you would like to practice using the substitution method, what I would encourage you to do is press the pause button on this video right now. Take a few minutes, try to do these two systems. And as soon as you're ready to see the step-by-step solution, just click play, and we're ready to go. Okay, so again, the first thing you're going to need to do is isolate one of your variables. So in this equation, it's going to be easiest to get x by itself. So the first thing we want to do is just subtract 4y to the other side, and we'll have x is equal to a negative 4y plus 8. So now we know that we can substitute negative 4y plus 8 into the x of our other equation. So let's do that. So 4, and now we have x, so we're going to substitute a negative 4y plus 8 into our x plus 2y equals 18. Distribute our 4, we get a negative 16y plus 32 plus 2y is equal to 18. Combine our y's on this side, so that'll give us a negative 14y plus 32 is equal to 18. Subtract 32 from both sides, and we'll get negative 14y is equal to a negative 14. So now we know y is equal to 1. And just like the last example, after you find the first variable, you are not done. You want to go substitute it back into one of the other equations, and we're just going to substitute it into that y right there, because now we know that x is equal to a negative 4y, but our y value is 1, and plus 8, so negative 4 times 1 is a negative 4, plus 8, we know that x is equal to 4. So the solution to this system is 4 comma 1. And of course, you can always substitute 4 and 1 back into the original equations to make sure they give you the correct answers. And if you substitute 4 and 1 back into both of these, it'll work out just fine. Okay, and the last example. This one might have been a little bit trickier to get a variable by itself because you want to find something that is easily divisible. So I would have gotten x or y by itself in the bottom equation because 40 is easily divisible by 5, and these two are obviously the same, so they're going to disappear and you're not going to have to work with any fractions. However, the choice is yours. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get y by itself in this, so I'm going to have 5y is equal to 5x minus 40 after I add the 5x to the other side. Divide both sides by 5, and you have y is equal to x minus 8. Now that you have y is equal to x minus 8, we are going to substitute it into the y of the other equation that we did not simplify. And what we're going to do there is just have 2x plus 3. Now we have our parentheses for our substitution. Y is actually x minus 8. And that equals a negative 9. Distribute the 3, so we have 2x plus 3x minus 24 is equal to a negative 9. Combine our like terms on this side. We have 5x minus 24 is equal to a negative 9. And that's going to give us 5x. We have to add the 24 to the other side. That's going to give us 5x is equal to 15. So x is equal to 3 after you divide both sides by 5. Now that you have the 3, you want to substitute that back in to this x. That'll give us y is equal to 3 minus 8. And that'll give us y is equal to a negative 5. So the solution to this system is 3 comma negative 5. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful on how to solve systems of linear equations using substitution. This is Longo, and I'm out. See you, bye.